In this lecture, we're gonna show how to use a tool part reviewer. We use this tool, we wanna see how our part was made. What were the steps in the process of creation of our part? This is good for some students who wants to learn how to create and how to model some part. And this is also good for a supervisor who wants to control the work of his junior designer. So let's go to evaluate and to part reviewer. And here we have step back, step forward, jump to end, sketch. We can show some sketch details. And here we can show only features with comments. So here we can go step forward. So first was created this part. Then was created this part. Then was create a shell. Then we have a boss extrude. We can also show sketch details. So let's go step forward and now we see our sketch. And also we can go back. And as well, we can jump right to the end. And this is how part reviewer works.